Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Kumar. I am here to present about the quality tools and techniques in chapter 2 of AQP level and chapter 6. In this sampling methods, an audit evaluates a sample of a given quality system, process or product to ascertain whether it is met a specified standard or requirements. There are various methods of determining the sample taken, and these includes acceptance sampling, random sampling, and staged sampling. Acceptance sampling. Acceptance sampling plans are of two types: attributes plans and variable plans. In attribute plans, a sample is taken uh, from a lot which with each unit classified as acceptance or defective. The number of defects is compared with the acceptance number to make the accept or reject decision for the lot. In variable plans, a sample is taken and one or more quality measurements are made in each unit. Next, ANSI or ASQ Z1.9 sampling plans. This ANSI ASQ Z19 has four sections. So, Section A, general description of sampling plans. Section B consists of sampling plans that are used when the variability is unknown and the standard deviation methods is used. Section C consists of sampling plans that are used when the variability is unknown and the range of method is used. Section D consists of sampling plans that are used when the variability is unknown. And then the use of ANSI and ISQZ1 requires the following, like lot size knowledge, a determined AQL, a selected inspection level, and a calculation method. Next, the OC curve. It is even 100% inspection does not catch all defects. Sampling also involves risk that the sampling will not adequately reflect the conditions in the lot. Sampling risk are of two kinds. Good product is rejected uh, because the producer or alpha risk. Bad project is accepted because of the consumer or the beta risks. Uh, Required sample size and discovery sampling. The sample size needed for hypothesis testing depends on the decided type 1 alpha and the 2 type 2 beta risk. The minimum value to be detected between the population means the variation in the characteristics being measured. In 1950s, a variation of reduced sampling called discovery sampling was introduced. From an auditing perspective, discovery sampling is quick to check of the process to discover if the problem exists. Next, random sampling. Sampling is often undertaken because of the time and economic advantage. The use of sampling plan requires randomness in sampling selection. The selection of sample requires some upfront through and planning. Next, skip lot sampling. Skip is a lot sampling was created by HF Dodge to minimize the inspection cost when there is a continuous supply of lots or parts from the same source. These plans begins with the inspection of every lot. When a prescribed number of lots has been accepted, skip lot sampling begins. If a lot is rejected, the plan reverts to the inspection of each lot. Next, sampling is classified into two types: staged sampling and cluster sampling. The concept behind staged sampling is to attempt to select a random samples from each group or process that is different from other similar groups or processes. In cluster sampling, the information is collected from a certain natural groups or cluster areas. Cluster sampling can be cheaper than some other methods. Next, sampling terms. Accept number, the number of defectives that allows the acceptance of the balance of the lot. Uh, Acceptable quality level, this is the maximum percent defective that is considered satisfactory as a process average by the producer and the consumer. Attribute, an item that is either good or bad. Consumer's risk, the probability of accepting a bad lot. Consumer confidence, the probability of calling a bad lot bad. Lot size, a collection of units of similar products from which a sample is drawn and inspected. Producer risk, the probability of rejecting a good lot. Producer's confidence, the probability of accepting a good lot. Thank you.